New Delhi's iconic India Gate will go dark on Saturday night between 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. IST as part of Earth Hour 2026, a global environmental initiative encouraging people and institutions to switch off non-essential lights for 1 hour to raise awareness about climate change and environmental sustainability. Earth Hour this year marks the 20th anniversary of the global movement observed under the theme Give an Hour for Earth, highlighting collective action for our planet. Organized annually by the World Wildlife Fund, Earth Hour began in 2007 as a symbolic light-off event in Sydney, Australia, and has since grown into one of the world's greatest grassroots initiatives about environmental efforts, uniting millions of peoples, businesses, and monuments in more than 190 countries and territories. Across India and around the world, iconic landmarks, public spaces, and private homes will join the symbolic switch off, drawing attention to the urgency of climate action and the conservation of natural resources. Bureau Report News Now.